Hey everybody, welcome to Good Looking. My name's Landon, and I'm here to share with you guys a couple things on, how to build your credit, how to start it, and how to manage it. Everything I'm about to tell you is based on stuff that I've been through, different experiences that I've learned throughout my journey of building my credit, right? So first thing you want to do is make a Credit Karma account. So the Credit Karma account is totally free, and it'll help you be able to analyze your credit, see what's going on, see what your score is, and see what kind of debts you have, how many hard inquiries you have, and all those kind of things. So you'll be able to kind of see it from there and work from there. So once you're able to get in and actually view your credit score and all that, what you want to do is if you don't have a credit card already, go to the bank and try to get one, right? So the first thing, the one that makes it to where you're pretty much going to be approved for is getting a secured credit card. So the way I did it was I went in and I asked for a secured credit card. I put up $550 to get a $500 limit. So they end up giving me $500 limit, and what I did was I used 20% or less of it every month, and I always paid it off. So the minimum payment, I didn't even deal with that. Whatever I used, I paid off every single month. You know what I'm saying? That's what I had to do in order to show them that I can make payments on time and all that. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I did. So to get my first secured credit card, and then after about 3 to 6 months of doing that, using it and then paying it off, I went back into the bank and I asked them if I could make it unsecured, right? So they ended up telling me I could make it unsecured. They gave me the money back that I had put up, and then I was still doing the same thing, using less than 20% and paying it off every month. So I continued to do that. I also asked them to raise the limit up to 1,000 instead of 500. And that just gave me a little bit more playroom, you know what I'm saying? But I still kept my balances low. So I was using less than 20%. Sometimes it would only be 8%. You know what I'm saying? I was using every month. So make sure you pay it off in full every month and don't use any more than 20%. And as you do that, you'll see on Credit Karma, you'll see your score start to go up, and there'll be different things. So another thing to talk about is hard inquiries, right? So when you go into the bank and you try to get a loan or a credit card or even a secured credit card, whether it be an auto loan or a house loan or whatever, they're going to do a hard inquiry, and you're going to see that on Credit Karma. It's going to show you that this institute checked your credit, you know what I'm saying, and there's going to be a thing there. They stay on your credit for about 2 years, you know what I'm saying? So when you get a hard inquiry, you want to make sure it counts, you know what I'm saying? So you don't want to go to a lot of different places and get a whole bunch of hard inquiries. That's all bad, because you're going to have a whole bunch on your thing, and lenders are going to be like, this guy doesn't know how to manage his finances or whatnot. So basically, you want to keep your hard inquiries low, but you could see that all on Credit Karma. You'll be able to see what's going on and manage it, you know what I'm saying? So after you do it over a couple years, you know what I'm saying, because your credit history will be really low, really short, you know what I'm saying, but you want to just continue to use it and pay it off, and use it and pay it off, and you just build your credit that way, you know what I'm saying. Over a year or two, it'll look really good. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have at this point right now to get you to start building your credit. So a secured credit card, and use less than 20% and pay it off every month. That's the biggest advice. I wish I had a big homie to holler at me and tell me those kind of things, but I had to, go out there and look for it myself. So that's why I'm making these videos, to be that big homie and holler, like, go get a secured credit card, because a lot of people don't talk about secured credit cards. So I'm gonna be one to holler at y'all, man. Get a secured credit card, get a little bit of money saved up, and, you know what I'm saying, put a deposit on a secured credit card so you can start building your credit. And 5-10 years from now, you have a great credit score and you'll be able to buy a house. So that's pretty much my goals and my experiences, and I'm just sharing them with you. Again, my name's Landon, and this is Good Looking, and I'm just good looking out.